Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Isuzu D-MAX LS-M, stock reference number 3961. This shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 5th month 2012. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. A 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. It has an aftermarket TJM bull bar in steel, supplied with all bolts and brackets. Black radiator grille. Left guard, flared type, appears to have no damage. It's got a factory canopy with all fittings. It does have a crack in it that still might be able to be fixed. Does not have keys or a rear window. The tailgate appears to have no damage. Bumper bar step, tight. Does have a small crack in the number plate lamp and a small dent on the right hand side. Has a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light, left hand tail light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. Right front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the passenger side door trim. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls, silver buttons, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.